I am gradually revitalizing my mother and my tropical garden after nearly 3 years of neglect to restore its vibrant, lush charm. With the guidance of a skilled gardener, we began by carefully pruning and trimming the overgrown foliage, allowing light and air to nourish the staghorn and elkhorn ferns and other varieties of ferns which are now showing promising new growth. The forest orchids, Vanda orchids, and other varieties craving moisture and warmth have been gently nurtured in the hope that their stunning blooms will soon return. The palm trees and bamboos, once smothered by weeds, now have the space to thrive, while the gumamela is ready to add brilliant splashes of red, pink, and orange. With the ongoing care and patience, the garden will once again become a flourishing tropical haven filled with beauty and tranquility.